Well, it's a cool, wet South Carolina day, so opportunity to do a little more work cleaning the 460. Just getting her ready to paint, do a complete restoration on this one. Working really hard. It's got more stuff off like the coil and pumps. Step by step, piece by piece. There you go. As our good friend Marvin Colson likes to say, we're not fast, but we're slow. Right, Phil Bryan?
Yeah, that's about right.
Okay. Any news for your fans?
No.
No news today, folks.